Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Bartolis here, Realtor with Royal LePage, with a couple of tips regarding paint. It is not just for walls. I'm going to show you a few things that we did just to refreshen and repurpose a few items in our house. Yes, we absolutely could have bought new ones, but A, I thought it would be fun to try these out, and two, sometimes that can get expensive. So I hope that you find these paint tips helpful, and maybe it'll help you refresh a few things in your home. Here is the before of, I guess it's a plant entryway kind of little cabinet. Wait till you see the after. So voila, this is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good, and I changed the hardware here to a more Gen handle fixture. To achieve the look you saw, you will need these three products. So the glitter here was supposed to give it a shiny finish. I didn't really love how it was clumping together, so we ended up using the clear gloss here, which was needed because the paint was slightly coming off on your fingers. So if you're gonna put anything on top of your furniture, I highly recommend this. Now these were our window shades, a beigey color before. Here's the finished product, now a nice white. What do you think? We also did the ones in our dining room, gray. Which one do you like better? I saved the best for last. Your eaves troughs and soffits can be expensive to replace. This is a paint job for the hubby. We used the same Rust-Oleum spray paint, which works wonders. I hope that you guys found these paint tips helpful, and if you do decide to try them, please do send your pictures because I'm already working on my hubby's next projects and I would love to see what you guys come up with.